Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account with Kayan HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in app.kayanhr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for Kayan HR. You can either sign in using Office 365 and also your Google account by clicking on the respective buttons. In order to log in, you can also use your email address or your phone number. So type in your email address or phone number within the email address section and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Kayan HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot your password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Kayan HR account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.